Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Acuity Scheduling for responsive booking pages, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Acuity Scheduling website at acuityscheduling.com. Click on the sign up button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Choose a plan that suits your needs. You can select a free trial option or one of the paid plans. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for it. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. This will redirect you to the setup page for your Acuity account. Enter your business name in the designated field. Select your time zone from the drop-down menu. Upload a logo if you have one, or you can skip this step. Provide a brief description of the services you offer. Choose the types of appointments you want to set up. You can add services like consultations, classes, or workshops. Specify the duration for each type of appointment. Set your availability by selecting the days and times you are open for bookings. Adjust any settings for buffer time between appointments if needed. Click Save to store your scheduling preferences. Now, customize your booking page by selecting a theme and colors. You can also add custom fields to gather information from clients. Once you are satisfied with the design, click on Save Changes. Test your booking page by clicking the link generated for you. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preferences. Finally, share your booking link with clients through email or social media. Congratulations! You've successfully registered with Acuity Scheduling and set up responsive booking pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.